Hi, this is the Brothers YouTube channel, and today we're going to make a Hot Wheels track. Let me show you what it's going to be like. So right now, we're right here. We're going to make it go forward. Over the couch right over there. And then make it go
down, and
then go straight. Loop-de-loop.
No, that's not how you do a loop-de-loop.
And then we go straight and right there. And then that's the ending. Right there. So, we'll show you how we're going to make it. Now we're going to test our track, and we finally finished it. So, let's go. Here's some behind-scenes action for a follower.